Today's cryptic crossword clue is one sporting terrible horn, and this clue is pure. This is a really pure clue. I like it a lot. It comes to us from Charlie Methven. Thank you, Charlie. Charlie's part of our Seta Network. And I probably haven't talked quite enough about the Seta Network before, so let's do it now, where this is a network that we're putting together of professional and experienced setters from across the world. We will also take clue submissions from our members in the future, and that's coming pretty soon. But that's not what the Seta Network is. The Seta Network is we have reached out to and sourced a bunch of people that we think are very experienced and we like their clues a lot. And maybe the introduction of the Seta Network got off to a slightly rocky start, but I'm really happy with how it's going now, and we're starting to see some really excellent clues coming through, and I think we're starting to judge which of those clues will suit our audience best as well. Perhaps maybe we misjudged that in the beginning, I'm not sure. But here, I mean, this clue is fantastic. This clue is an anlit clue, and you will notice that by the exclamation mark and the question mark on the end of the clue. A lot of the time when we use punctuation, it's just there to make the surface read well. You throw an exclamation point at the end of the clue because the clue reads better when it sounds exciting or like someone's getting a bit upset or something like that. And a question mark as well. Sometimes the clue needs to read like a question. Sometimes a question mark's used because the definition is a bit stretchy, and so you kind of indicate that with the question mark as well. But here, when we use exclamation point, question mark, it is signaling an anlit clue, which means that the whole clue is definition and the whole clue is wordplay, and that is what's going on here. And so if the whole clue here is definition, one sporting terrible horn, here sporting kind of means wearing. I mean, there aren't that many things in the world that wear or sport a terrible horn. 5 letters, you can probably think of one. But that answer is also there in the wordplay, where one is just the letter I. That's Roman numeral I is 1. Those two things are kind of interchangeable in cryptic crossword clues. And so we have the letter I for 1. And that is sporting or wearing around the outside of it a terrible horn, terrible being an anagram indicator, where we take the letters HORN and we make them terrible. We transform them into something different. And if you rearrange the letters of horn and put them around I, you get the word rhino, which is certainly an animal that sports a terrible horn.